Hi all! Today's video is dedicated to your favorite brake check, road rage, and driving fails. Enjoy watching and good luck! He decides it's a great idea to overtake a truck on chevrons with a solid white line then. He decides that it would be clever to brake check our truck 3 times, almost causing a collision. This incident has been reported to Oxfordshire Police for his inconsiderate and dangerous driving. This video was created for educational, informational, and entertainment purposes only. Feel free to leave your comments under the video. Idiot in white Audi brake checks on Warsaw Highway with 120 kilometers per hour. Crazy lady brake checks after fail to give way. Ford Everest enters the freeway. This happened on the Western Highway last exit westbound out of Bacchus Marsh.
No jedź! I będziesz na YouTubie, gościu! No to zobaczysz, jak cię wrzucę na YouTube, no to zobaczysz, jak ci prawo jazdy zabiorą, gościu. Tak? Będziesz cwaniakował? No to zobaczysz.
Brake check by BMW. It happened on the N2 from Ashbourne, Company Meath en route to Dublin in Ireland. West Island Painting Victoria, BC drives up and down McKesney in lifted truck and doesn't really understand how to lane change or signal. I emailed him directly but no reply. Dashcam video along 290 eastbound heading to Chicago, Illinois.
Was causing the problem.
Alright, yeah. I'll try to figure it out, but not sure if I'll find a way. So, I mean...
Yeah, let's figure it out once I got there.
Yeah, I have all the tools that we need to fix that, so when I'll come here, we can do that in a second.
Okay.
Alright. See you then.
Alright,
yep, be safe, bud. Bye.
Wife was driving, not sure why he did it. Eastbound on the Monash Freeway. Passing under Wellington Road. Melbourne, Australia. Failed to see the tanker pull out of the levee. Failed to see the truck in lane 1 indicate to pull out into lane 2. So he just pulls into lane 1 at speed behind a slow-moving vehicle, then forces me to adjust my speed when he pulls into my path. All this was avoidable if you look as far ahead as you can. This is the difference between a professional driver and bad driver. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. Remember to drive safely and always follow the rules of the road.